Hey everybody, I know you're super excited to get started with your detailing business, but this video is going to be everything I wish I knew before I started. So take a few minutes, watch this video, and then you can jump straight into it and get started. All right, so first things first, most people start detailing their friends and family, and that's where I recommend as well. So call your, mom, dad, cousins, uncles, whatever, friends, detail their vehicles for really cheap or free sometimes, and that's so you can get some before and after pictures and videos to put up on your website. Because the step number two is building a website. A bunch of free sites have website builders on them. You can use GoDaddy, Wix, Squarespace, all kinds of stuff, and they all have like built-in schedulers, and some are better than others. We also have a website template in our school community. You can see it in the description below. But either way, you're going to build a website, right? And you can model your website off of, look at your competitors, see how their website looks, and then just basically model yours after theirs. You're going to put all your before and after pictures on that website, and then as well, put them on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the social media channels. This will give you some free eyeballs on your business when you're first getting started. And then as well, along with the website and social medias, you're going to make a Google Business Profile listing. So this is a free offering that Google has. When people Google car detailing near me, your business will pop up there. Now, it takes a little time to rank higher and higher on the Google Business Profile, mostly about reviews and optimizing, for SEO in the listing, which we have training on this as well in the school group. But it's a super powerful thing. You can also, so the most important thing is reviews. All those friends and family that you did their cars, text them the link, get them to leave a review. That's going to help you out a ton in the beginning. I mean, your first 10 to 20 reviews are game changing when you first make a Google Business Profile. Now, first things first is what equipment and supplies do you need? I don't have any equipment or supplies on me. I'm not out detailing. All my employees have all of our equipment and gear, so I can't hold it up and show you, but we have an equipment list. I'm going to leave in the description below. There's links to every, piece of equipment we use, every chemical we use. I recommend you find a wholesale supplier in your area. You can look up car detailing supplies in your area, and you'll find some kind of wholesaler that will sell you bulk pricing. And now, after you've set up your website, your social medias, your Google Business Profile, you have some before and after pictures on there, you've got some reviews on your Google Business Profile, you're good to go, right? You can just jump right in and you're ready to go. I'm just kidding. But I mean, in a way, those are the most core parts of your detailing business, especially when you're first getting started. But you're not going to want to just go and blow all your money on, useless stuff, right? You want to take your money that you've made in your business and reinvest it, right? Because that's how you grow. That's what I did when I first started. I remember I was charging $50, $75 a detail, and I took all the money I made and reinvested, bought better equipment so I could detail faster and get more cars done. I started paying for Google Ads eventually, which we also have a training on, because that can get a little nuanced, and you have to have the right targeting and keywords. You don't want to just spend money and get no customers, but you want to reinvest that money in your business so you can snowball it and just continue doing what works, right? So if you're getting most of your leads through social media, keep posting on social media. Maybe pay for some Facebook ads. If you want to start Google ads, those are way more targeted and they get much better results than Facebook and social media ads do. You can start testing some Google ads. You can buy better equipment, try some new chemicals. The doors open up, but you want to keep that money in the business, because if you just take money out and start buying clothes and shoes and whatever, that money is going to dry up. Your customers are going to dry up. You're not getting any new customers. So yeah, this is a really quick video. I'm super excited for you. When you're first starting, that's the most exciting part of the business, right? You start making money from nothing, and then you start snowballing. You get new customers. You start detailing for strangers. You get some maintenance clients. Eventually, you start doing some ceramic coatings and making $1,000, $2,000 in a day in a few hours. That's really when it starts getting exciting. I'm super excited for you. If you're interested in growing your detailing business, we have a whole free school community for auto detailers trying to grow. In there, I have a 90-minute free marketing masterclass. It's all about free marketing channels. So if that's what you're looking to do when you're first getting started, you can go check that out. It's also in the description. But until the next video, I will see you guys later.